DoughMAT. Today we're here to show you how our patented rolling system will help you make biscuits in your commercial establishment and save you a lot of money. So biscuits inherently in a commercial establishment, when you're making them from scratch, you get flour all over the place. There's flour on the floor, you cross-contaminate the rest of the kitchen, flour on the employees. This mat will eliminate all the flour and the mess. It will save you an extreme amount of time and labor. So we have to put a little bit of flour down on the mat, just a little. Take your dough, put it down here. Today we're gonna do 1/2-inch biscuits. Take your 1/2-inch sticks. This will ensure the depthness of your dough. Here is the patented part that works beautifully. You take the mat and you basically encapsulate the product inside. So I have just rolled out every time, no matter what, 1/2-inch biscuit dough. Once you put this in the kitchen and you get used to doing it, you'll actually make your biscuits 20 to 25% quicker too. With the shortage of help in a lot of the kitchens, anywhere we can save you time, saves you money. So after making all these biscuits, I wore a dark outfit today. There's no flour on my black pants or my charcoal chef's coat. I did this, no flour on the floor, no cleanup time, makes it more efficient, save you a bunch of money.